1, 2, 3.
Hang on.
Looks like the shifter might be stuck on the left there.
Did somebody just lift the seat up a little?
You got it. Cock those handlebars and drag it. You had it. Somebody just push on that tire to the right.
There you go, yeah.
Yeah,
Just
pull
went
that
a little
fucker up. Go, pull.
It's hitting on the
1,
2, 3.
Ready, pull! Hold on. Hold on. Just I don't want him to get hurt. There you go, now pull. Okay. 1,
Nice.
2, 3. Let me grab the handle.
Hey, the lights will
Hey,
work.
Tim, we're going to unslack it and have you wind it really nice in a minute.
Lucky motherfucking shirt.
So,
Hey. Looking awesome, brother.
good job, dude. So,
Let's see you at the bar. Definitely
everything
mine.
out
You'll
of that
find
winch.
it. You're ready to get a fucking tow truck.
You wear this every time and every time.
You're actually pretty good.
Pat, hey, Pat. Oh, dude, I don't need your money here. No, it's not hat, dude. Pat, I don't want your fucking stop.